Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Legend of YMIR app not launching or won't launch problem on Android. So here are the fixes. The first solution is to simply restart your Android device. So just restart your Android device and then launch the YMIR app and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to check for Legend of YMIR app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Legend of YMIR app and tap on it. And if you see any update available for this app, then update it and then you can launch the game and check. Third solution is to force stop Legend of YMIR app. So tap and hold the YMIR app icon, then click on app info, then click on force stop and confirm it, then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then clear the cache of YMIR app. So tap and hold the YMIR app icon, then click on app info, then click on storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it, then click on clear data and confirm it. Now launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If still your problem is not solved, then allow the background activity for the Legend of YMIR app. So tap and hold the YMIR app icon, then click on app info, then go to the battery usage and then select the first option, allow background activity. Tap on allow to confirm it and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Now next solution is to check for internet connections. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Now if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. And if you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then you can launch the game and check. If possible, then you can also connect to different Wi-Fi or mobile data via hotspot and then check Legend of YMIR app is working or not. Now the next solution is to connect to a VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and install any VPN of your choice from Play Store such as Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, Ninja VPN, Norton 360 VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, then launch the VPN app and connect to a different location than your current location and then launch the Legend of YMIR app and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check if your problem is fixed or not. Now if none of the solution work for you, then the last solution is to reinstall Legend of YMIR app. So tap and hold YMIR app icon, then click on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm it. Then restart your device once and after your device restart, then open Play Store, tap on search for Legend of YMIR app and then click on install button to reinstall it. And after the installation, you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So by this way, you can easily solve Legend of YMIR app not launching or won't launch problem on Android devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.